Let the farmer praise his grounds, and the huntsman praise his hounds. Let the shepherd praise his dewy-scented lawn. But I, more wise than they, spend each happy night and day with me darling little Krishkeen lon, lon, lon. Me darling little Krishkeen lon. O grama grimo Krishkeen shlanta galma varnin. Grama grimo Krishkeen lon, lon, lon. O grama grimo Krishkeen lon. Immortal and divine, great Bacchus, god of wine, create me by adoption your own son, in the hopes that you'll comply, that my glass shall ne'er run dry, nor me darling little Krishkeen lon, 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 me darling little Krishkeen lon. O grama grimo Krishkeen shlanta galma varnin. Grama grimo Krishkeen lon, lon, lon. O grama grimo Krishkeen lon. And when grim death appears in a few but happy years, he'll whisper, won't you come along with me? I'll say, begone, you knave, for King Bacchus gave me leave to fill another Krishkeen lon, 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 to fill another Krishkeen lon. So let's lift our glasses high, that our lips shall ne'er run dry, though the lark proclaims the early morning dawn. And since we can't remain, may we shortly meet again, to share another Krishkeen lon, 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 to share another Krishkeen lon. O grama grimo Krishkeen shlanta galma vorni. Grama grimo Krishkeen lon, lon, lon. O grama grimo Krishkeen lon.